Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you on how you can use the spawn trigger in Geometry Dash. Now a lot of players are confused when using the spawn trigger, and in today's video I'm going to clear everything out. So of course the first thing that I'm going to do is to add a spawn trigger on my level right here. I'm going to add on this spot on which I can then touch the spawn trigger, and basically what this does is that it will enable other triggers on my level. So there's two types of triggers on Geometry Dash. For example, let's select this one. Let's select Edit Object, and basically you have the touch trigger that you can enable. So it will then enable this specific trigger right after touching it. And then you have another trigger that you can go ahead and use, which is going to be the spawn trigger. So for the first one, if you go ahead and select spawn trigger, or I mean the touch trigger, it will then allow this to enable right after touching it. Same with this one, but as of the moment I've set it to the spawn trigger. So let me just set it to touch trigger real quick. So with this one, it will then trigger right after touching it. Same with this one. And so the first thing that you want to do is to make sure to select your spawn trigger as a touch trigger. So in that way, right after touching this specific spawn trigger, it will then triggers or other objects right here. So from there, you then want to select your object, click on Edit Object, and then you want to make sure to set it to spawn trigger. Once again, there's two types. There's the touch trigger, which will enable this if you touch it, and there's the spawn trigger, which will enable this after touching the spawn trigger. Now, in most cases, you can also enable the multi-trigger. You want to do the same thing for this one, so spawn trigger, and then you're good to go. Right after, you then want to set your group, so click on Edit Group. In my case, I'm going to set it to 4. Same with this one, I'm going to set it to 4. From there, you then want to navigate back to your spawn trigger, and basically from here, the target group ID is going to be number 4 for my two triggers right here. And then I'm also going to enable the multi-trigger. So if you click on the play button right after touching this, it will enable the touch trigger, which will enable the spawn triggers, if you know what I mean. So it will work something like this, and also the timer will show up. Now, if you simply select the spawn trigger right here, now what's going to happen if we set this to group number 4, and basically if we add another spawn trigger, we can enable this trigger, enabling all of these triggers by touching this trigger. So it's really confusing at first if you don't get it. So once again, let's click on Edit Object, click on the touch trigger, and from here, let's select 4. So basically right after touching the trigger right here, or the spawn trigger, it will enable this trigger, which will enable the two triggers. So that's how you use the spawn trigger in Geometry Dash. I know it's a little bit confusing, but right after watching this video, hopefully you have understand on how you use it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.